Morning routine. Good morning. Did you sleep well? Morning. Yes, I did. How about you? I slept okay. What's for breakfast? I am thinking of making pancakes. Do you want some? Sounds delicious. Do you need any help? Sure. Can you get the eggs from the fridge? Of course. Here you go. Commuting to work. Are you taking the bus to work today? Yes, I am. The traffic is always so bad in the morning. I know. That's why I prefer the train. It's faster. True, but the bus stop is closer to my house. Do you want to carpool sometime? That would be great. Let's plan for next week. At the coffee shop. Hi there. What can I get for you today? I will have a large coffee with milk, please. Sure. Would you like anything to eat? No, just the coffee. Thanks. Okay, your total is $3. Here is $5. Keep the change. Thank you. Your coffee will be ready in a moment. Thanks. In the office. Hey, did you finish the report? Yes, I just sent it to your mail. Great. I will review it right now. Let me know if you need any changes. Will do. By the way, did you hear about the meeting tomorrow? Yes, I'm preparing a presentation for it. Same here. Good luck. Thanks. You too. At the supermarket. Do we need anything else? Let me check the list. We still need milk and bread. I'll grab the milk. Can you get the bread? Sure. What is the bread aisle? It's over there, next to the dairy section. Got it. I'll meet you at the checkout. Okay. See you in a bit. Meeting a friend. Hey, it's been a while. How have you been? I have been good. Just busy with work. How about you? Same here. Work has been hectic. We should catch up more often. Definitely. Do you want to grab a coffee sometime this week? That sounds good. How about Thursday afternoon? Perfect. Let's meet at our usual spot. See you then. Dining out. Welcome. How many people are you in party? Just 2. Right this way, please. Here is the menu. Can I get you something to drink? I will have a glass of water, please. I will have an iced tea. Sure. I will be right back with your drinks. Thank you. What are you thinking of ordering? The pasta looks good. What about you? I am thinking of getting the steak. Nice choice. At the bank. How can I assist you today? I would like to deposit this check, please. Sure. May I see your ID? Here it is. Thank you. How would you like the receipt? Email would be great. All done. You will receive the receipt shortly. Thanks for your help. You're welcome. Have a nice day. You too. Asking for directions. Excuse me, could you help me find the library? Sure. Go straight ahead, then turn right. The library will be on your left. Thanks. How far is it from here? It's about a 10-minute walk. Perfect. I appreciate your help. No problem. Enjoy your visit. At the gym. Do you need help with that machine? Yes, please. I'm not sure how to adjust the weights. Simply pull the pin and set it your desired weight. Got it. Thanks. You're welcome. How is your workout going? Pretty good. Just trying to stay in shape. Same here. Keep up the good work. You too. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.